Ah, hello. If you missed the last video of the truck build, go watch this thing fire up. She sounds great. Well, the guy said it was race built, so... But you know Facebook Marketplace, right? Right. What is up, you guys? So, since my other battery, I accidentally put in the bad battery, it kept cutting off. You did not get a time-lapse video of this front bumper being put together. Yeah, so actually all we did was we cleaned up these two pieces. I got them kind of lined up the best I could, and then I just put a lot of tacks on there.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
So, if the camera was pointed anywhere in the right direction, I completely forgot and spaced out, but was the making of the back plate, or the mounting plate for the bar that's going to come out. And it's actually not going to do the 10-foot, it's going to be this one off of the car frame. So it's going to be mounted to this one, because this one is actually perfect, almost perfect size. It's either perfect size or it's almost perfect size. I don't know yet, I haven't bent it, but it matches up really well. So I've got one more plate to go. But yeah, this plate came out really perfect, like perfect. So they've got to have a actually, you know what, so it's gonna have basically this right stuck right to the middle, and then I'm gonna do a little triangle out of that same material, probably out of that material right there. We'll do little triangles to strengthen it up, that way it's not just that, it's pressure all along that. I gotta go use the bathroom, so I'm gonna actually end this video, not just resume, and then I'll get started on the other side, take my time with it, make sure it's perfect, and let's get after it. And also gotta change out this battery too. So let's go, buddies, let's go.
They don't wanna see me make make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that, I've been doing fine.
Okay, so what we have accomplished now is the mounting plates are officially done. So we're gonna mount here, here. We're gonna do center, and then we're gonna do winglets to each one of these right in between these bolts. Oh, I don't even know if you can see that, but we're gonna do winglets right here, 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 triangle, that. What we're about to do is figure out, based on this, figure out how far out I've got to make a bar, and then whatever that measurement is minus 1 inch for this to be there, because it's going to push it out a little bit, or it's going to be a little bit farther than that little stick out. So that stick out will be 1 inch, or be that minus 1 inch. So I'm about to have to struggle and do this because doing it alone kind of sucks. So I'll figure it out. I will figure this out. But the thoughts and plans are, I'm not sure if I'm gonna weld. Again, better lighting. Not sure if I'm gonna fix this by welding it, or if I'm just going to do some bolting action or what to get this back to how it should be, straight across. I feel like I should weld it, but in order to take the motor out ever again, I'd have to recut it. So
I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
what is up, you guys? It is 12 o'clock. I am tired, but we have gotten a lot of progress done. As you already know, we got the whole front section of the front bumper done. That will be cut up and dealt with later. What I just got done was got this all bent up to shape, so therefore it can be welded to that. And then the front bumper will be, well, the front actual reinforced bumper will be done, sort of done actually. I think I'm still going to build another one right above it or something like that. That way it's more of an actual bumper, or at least has two rails, and then put interconnecting ones in between. But for now, I think that's good. I am so tired. So I'm gonna start packing up and putting stuff back up in here, and then hope y'all have had a good time. I'm enjoying the watch, and this is it for this part. What is up, you guys? Today it is now time to finally get started on the truck, on the front bumper, getting it finally together, and possibly the radiator today. But we are running out of sunlight, and I just finished finishing. It's not complete, but finishing. It's up. It's good, and it's operational. The bucking barrel. So if y'all want to go watch that video, here's a link right here. But until then, we have got to get this place cleaned up, ready to go. Tools put back where they need to go, and I am actually going to shut the garage because it's getting cold outside. It's getting cold, so I'm going to shut the garage, have the heater going. You're going to be on a time lapse, and you're going to see me real quickly clean up this garage and then get back to you. Just like that, we are back to a much cleaner. It's not perfect, obviously, because I'm still working, but much cleaner garage. Right? No longer a ton of dust, metal shavings and dust all over the place. However, it's still all over the place, just not as much. I'll do a deep clean once all the projects are done, because the next big project is going to be rebuilding that bike, and I do not want any dust in here when I'm rebuilding that bike, especially metal dust. That'd be terrible. So, with that being said, who knows? I might even take my spare bed out of my spare bedroom and make that an engine rebuild room. Don't know about that one yet. Alright, so everything's done, more or less cleaned up. We are about to pull out the welded cart out to the front, and then we're going to weld. Last night we got this done. Got our bends in, so we got a nice strong actual, what's going to be the meat behind the front bumper, the meat behind the, I'm thinking words are not coming out, meat behind the body. So got some black steel. Took me a long time, but I got it all stripped down to no more black on it, because I want to paint it, make sure it's good to go. Today I was actually going to go and do that. I'm gonna grab some paint, but we'll see. So yeah, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull everything out, go ahead and get to welding.